How to post Instagram stories on desktop. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to post Instagram stories on desktop. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty freaking simple, so let's go. So after you log into your Instagram, the next thing you need to do is to just click on the space on your Instagram and right click on it. Then click on inspect. And then from in here, you can see this right here. This will open. So what you need to do is to just click on this icon right here, which is toggle device toolbar. And then you can just choose what dimensions you want. So for me, I will choose iPhone 12 Pro. And after that, I will just refresh this page. So as you can see, it has refreshed and you can see that I can add a story now. So let me just close this one right here and then just click on your story. And then you just need to rotate your device to add a story. So just click on your story right here. Then after that, just click on this multi-portrait that you want to add. Then after you have done that, you can just use this like this. And then after that, click on this add to your story. And as you can see, it will upload just like that. And after it has uploaded, you can see that you can now add that to your story. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to post Instagram stories on desktop. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.